Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down product to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. All right, so today we're talking about something that's been getting a lot of attention in the astronomy and outdoor photography world. The FASHIONARI Smart Telescope, a professional refractor with autofocus, a built-in 4K astrophotography camera, and dual screens. And the big question is this thing actually worth buying? Or is it just another gadget that looks cool in photos, but underwhelms in real use? Let's break it down. So first, let's talk about what you're actually getting optically. This telescope comes equipped with a powerful 80mm aperture and a 300mm focal length at f/8.89, and the Starlight Grade sensor supports up to 350x magnification for long-distance viewing. Now, what does 350x magnification actually mean for you in the real world? That's enough power to see lunar craters in incredible detail, resolve star clusters, and pull in planetary features that the naked eye simply can't see. And because of that 80mm aperture, you're pulling in a serious amount of light, which matters a lot when you're shooting in low-light conditions or trying to observe the moon without everything washing out. Now here's where this telescope gets really interesting. The camera. It captures stunning 4K high-resolution images, even in low-light or moon viewing conditions. We're not talking about slapping your phone on a mount and hoping for the best. This is a fully integrated imaging system. The optics use fully coated glass with high transmission coatings, which creates sharper images and also protects your eyes. That coating makes a real difference when you're doing extended viewing sessions. Contrast improves, glare drops, and colors stay true. And the dual screen setup? That's honestly one of the best features here, and it's something a lot of people don't talk about enough. This smart telescope comes with a foldable external 3-inch screen that allows for direct, vivid observation, and it has a built-in sunshade that ensures clear visibility even under strong daylight. So whether you're under the stars at midnight or doing some daytime wildlife spotting in the afternoon, you're covered. You're not squinting into an eyepiece. You're watching the view live on a screen. That makes this perfect for sharing the experience with family and friends without everyone having to take turns. And one thing that really stands out for beginners especially, it features one-touch switching between photo and video modes, so you can capture breathtaking photos or videos at the touch of a button with no external devices needed. That's huge. No adapters, no complicated setups, no phone holders. Just point, press, and capture. It also supports up to 512 gigabytes of external storage, so you can save and share your favorite celestial moments anytime. That's a serious amount of storage. You could shoot hours of 4K footage and still have room to spare. Now let's talk battery life, because this is where a lot of people get burned with portable tech. This telescope features a built-in 4,500 milliamp hours high-capacity battery, offering up to 6 hours of operation on a full charge. And it comes with customizable auto shut-off options at 1, 3, 5, or 10 minutes to help you preserve battery life. 6 hours is genuinely impressive for a device running a 4K sensor, dual screens, and autofocus simultaneously. That's a full night of stargazing on a single charge. Why is this such a popular choice right now? Because it bridges the gap between beginner and enthusiast perfectly. The super autofocus system and built-in 4K camera are popular with users because they allow you to start observing directly without complicated settings. And it provides live views of the sky on the dual screen system without needing to mount your phone or camera. It's the kind of telescope where you unbox it, set it up, and you're actually stargazing within minutes, not hours. Its ultralight design caters to users of all ages wanting an easy-to-carry smart telescope for multiple uses beyond astronomy. Whether you're hiking out to a dark sky site, doing bird watching at the park, or setting it up in your backyard, the portability is real. So bottom line. The FASHIONARI Smart Telescope with 4K dual-screen display delivers professional-grade optics, a 350x magnification capability, 6 hours of battery life, and a genuinely beginner-friendly experience in one compact, portable package. If you've been on the fence about getting into astronomy or astrophotography, this is one of the easiest entry points out there right now. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.